Welcome to the next episode of this tutorial. So at this stage of the design, we're going to focus on the details you see right now on your screen. We are going to create a cockpit and its windows, propeller, wheels, and general shape of the lights. First of all, I'm going to create a cockpit and its windows. To do so, I'm going to create a new construction plane, and I will rotate it 90 degrees. On this plane, I will sketch new profiles. Before sketching, I'm going to move the plane up towards the view, and then I will double tap on that plane to go to ortho mode. Now I'm going to sketch a spline. At this point, you can create your own concept for the cockpit profile. Just make sure to not create too many points of the curve, because your profile is not going to be smooth if you do that. Always remember to make a loop, because we're going to create the bodies out of it. I need to copy my plane body because I'm creating two bodies. The first body is a leftover of the intersection, and the second body will be the window of a cockpit. As you can see right now on your screen, I have extruded the profile, and I'm going to intersect it. This intersection is my window. Now I'm going to move the body back to the position it was before, and will extrude the copy profile. Then I'm going to use the subtract tool to cut and create space in my body for the new cockpit and its window, as you can see right now. Subscribe to our channel to never miss out on new tutorials, and click on the right bottom corner to watch the next episode.